Hey everyone, prepared you here. Today I want to share a story that changed the way I think about emergency preparedness forever. A few years back, a massive ice storm swept through our area and knocked out our power for 5 long days. My family was lucky. We had some supplies and a plan. But as I looked around, I saw neighbors making some truly dangerous mistakes. Some tried to stay warm by using charcoal grills indoors, not realizing the deadly risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Others thought it was safe to idle their cars in the garage just to charge their phones or keep warm, but that's incredibly risky. Every year people get sick or worse from these choices during blackouts. Most people think a flashlight and a few candles are all you need to get through a blackout. But let's be honest, that's not a real plan, that's just wishful thinking. When the lights go out, you need more than hope. Our power grids are aging, and outages are becoming more common and lasting, longer than ever before. It's not just about inconvenience, it's about safety and survival. That's why today, I'm going to show you 11 often overlooked supplies that can turn a blackout from a potential disaster into something you and your family can manage with confidence. And stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the single most important aspect of blackout readiness, the glue that holds your entire plan together and keeps your family safe. So grab a notepad and get ready to take some notes. This isn't just another list of supplies, it's a masterclass in real-world blackout preparation that could make all the difference when the next storm hits. First up, water. That case of bottled water in your garage. It's not enough. The CDC recommends at least 1 gallon per person per day. For a family of 4, that's 12 gallons for just 3 days. During our 5-day outage, we used nearly 20 gallons, even with rationing. You need a real water storage system. Large, food-grade containers like water bricks or 55-gallon drums. Fill, treat with a couple drops of bleach, seal, and store in a cool, dark place. Make sure they're accessible, even in the dark. Think of bottled water as pocket change. Your big containers are your savings account. Get this right, and you're ahead of 90% of people. Imagine this. Your stored water is running dangerously low, or worse, it's been contaminated. What do you do when your emergency supply just isn't enough, or something unexpected happens to your water storage? It's a scenario most people don't want to think about, but it's crucial to be prepared. Maybe you're forced to collect water from a nearby creek, pond, or even a rain barrel. But is that water safe to drink? Not without proper treatment. This is where real purification methods come in. You can't just boil or strain water and hope for the best. Bacteria, viruses, and chemicals can still linger. Water purification tablets are a lifesaver in emergencies. They're cheap, tiny, and incredibly easy to use. Just drop one into your water, wait the recommended time, and you've got water that's safe to drink. They're perfect for bug-out bags or travel. But for your home or long-term use, invest in a gravity-fed water filter like a Berkey or Alexa Pure. These filters are designed to handle large volumes and remove a wide range of contaminants. No electricity is needed, just pour in questionable or even murky water and let gravity do the work. In a few hours, you'll have clean, safe water ready to drink, cook, or wash with. Think of purification tablets as your backup plan, while the gravity filter is your daily workhorse. Together, they cover all your bases. We've personally purified pond water with our gravity filter, and every single time, it's delivered crystal clear, safe water. It's reliable, even in the worst conditions. With both a gravity filter and purification tablets, you can create a nearly endless supply of safe water, no matter what happens to your taps or local water supply. Don't make the mistake of relying on taste filters or fridge pitchers. They're designed for flavor, not safety. They simply can't remove the dangerous stuff. The key is to have layers of water preparation. Redundancy is your friend. Safe water is absolutely non-negotiable in any emergency plan. Make sure you're ready. Hot meals are a huge morale boost during a blackout, providing comfort and a sense of normalcy when everything else feels uncertain. But while it's tempting to cook any way you can, remember that cooking indoors during a power outage can be deadly if you're not careful. Never use outdoor grills, camp stoves, or any non-indoor rated heaters inside your home. These can produce carbon monoxide, an invisible, odorless gas that kills quickly and without warning. Instead, stick to safe options. A butane stove that's UL rated for indoor use, used with proper ventilation like a cracked window, is a good choice. An indoor-safe propane heater, such as the Mr. Heater Buddy, is also designed for emergencies. These devices come with built-in safety features, like low oxygen sensors that shut them off if the air gets dangerous, and tip-over switches to prevent fires if they get knocked over. Chemical food warmers, like those found in military MREs, are another safe, no-fuel option for heating food indoors. They don't require flames or electricity, making them perfect for emergencies. Always check that your emergency cooking gear is clearly labeled for indoor use, and take a moment to read the safety instructions before you need them. Don't risk your life for a hot meal. Use only gear designed for safe indoor operation. A hot meal, safely prepared, not only keeps spirits up but also ensures your family stays healthy and safe during stressful times. Make sure you have backup fuel stored safely, and that everyone in your household knows how to operate your emergency cooking gear before an outage happens. Never improvise with unsafe heat sources or ignore warning labels. In an emergency, safety always comes first. Protect yourself and your loved ones by making smart choices. Lighting is more than flashlights and candles. Don't waste your phone battery as a flashlight. It's your lifeline for communication. Every family member needs an LED headlamp, hands-free, efficient, and long-lasting. Stash headlamps in key spots around your home. For area lighting, use LED lanterns, rechargeable and battery-powered for redundancy. Skip candles. They're a fire hazard. Standardize your batteries, AA or AAA, and keep at least 2 full reloads for every device. Store batteries in a cool, dry place. Good lighting turns a blackout from scary to manageable. It's a huge psychological win. Build a system, not just a pile of flashlights. A blackout is also an information blackout if your phone dies. Get a high-capacity power bank, at least $20,000 mid-age, to keep phones charged for days. During our outage, our power bank kept us connected the whole time. Pair it with a foldable solar panel for off-grid recharging. Built-in solar panels on power banks are too slow. Get a real panel for fast charging. This combo gives you nearly unlimited power for small devices. Don't rely on finding public outlets. Be self-sufficient. Stay connected. Stay informed. If cell towers or the internet go down, your phone is useless for news. You need an emergency radio, battery-powered or hand crank, with AM/FM and no AA weather band. No AA radio is often the only official info source in a disaster. Hand crank radios never run out of power, just crank for updates. Many have built-in flashlights and can give your phone a tiny emergency charge. Program your local stations and know a channel ahead of time. Don't just buy it, learn to use it. When all else fails, radio keeps you connected to the outside world. Injuries spike during outages, and emergency services are stretched thin. A real first aid kit is a must, not just cartoon bandages. Stock trauma supplies, bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptics, trauma shears, tourniquet, chest seals, and a SAM splint. Include pain relievers, allergy meds, anti-diarrheals, and extra prescription meds. Organize your kit for quick access in the dark. Compartmentalize supplies in labeled bags. A well-stocked kit lets you handle most medical issues until help arrives. It's one of the most empowering things you can own. When the water stops, sanitation becomes critical. No flushing toilets. Set up a portable toilet, a 5-gallon bucket, snap-on seat, heavy-duty trash bags, and kitty litter or gelling powder. After use, tie off bags and store outside for later disposal. Stock up on wet wipes. They're your shower, and hand soap. Hand sanitizer is essential, especially after handling waste. Keep plenty of trash bags and paper towels for extra garbage and cleaning. Cleanliness is a huge morale boost and keeps disease at bay. Don't ignore sanitation, it's a rookie mistake. Plan for it and protect your family's health. In winter outages, staying warm is life or death. Pick one small interior room as your living space. Insulate windows and doors with blankets or plastic. Huddle together to conserve body heat. Every family member needs a quality sleeping bag and wool blankets. Wool insulates, even when damp. For heat, use an indoor-safe propane heater with a battery-powered carbon monoxide detector. Test your detector regularly. Chemical hand warmers are great for extra warmth in sleeping bags or pockets. Layer clothing, insulate your space, and use safe heat sources. Never risk fire or CO poisoning. Multi-layered warmth keeps your family safe until the power returns. When the fridge dies, your food spoils fast. Stock up on shelf-stable foods, canned meals, tuna, veggies, fruit, peanut butter, crackers, granola bars, nuts, and dried fruit. Choose foods your family will actually eat. Morale matters. For hot meals, keep instant noodles, oatmeal, and freeze-dried meals on hand. Just add hot water. Freeze-dried meals last decades and are easy to prepare. Calorie-dense, no-cook snacks are perfect for quick energy. Build a flexible pantry, canned, dry, and freeze-dried. You'll never worry about your next meal during an outage. When the grid's down, cards and ATMs are useless. Cash is king. Keep a stash of small bills at home and in your car emergency kit. A few $100s in small bills can buy food, gas, or supplies when nothing else works. Also, keep hard copies of key documents, IDs, insurance, deeds, and a list of important contacts. Store them in a waterproof, fire-resistant bag or safe. Add a digital backup on an encrypted USB drive. Having all your info in one place is a huge stress reducer. Don't get caught scrambling for cash or paperwork in a crisis. The most important supply isn't gear, it's your brain and your plan. Know how to use your supplies and keep them accessible. Shift from being a passive victim to an active manager of your family's safety. Start small, add one item at a time, and build your kit piece by piece. You're not just buying stuff, you're buying resilience and peace of mind. Stay safe and be prepared.